This tutorial shows you how to create a test in ILIAS. Tests are helpful as self-checks or as final assessments in a course to measure your students' progress with working with the content and mastering of learning objectives, either for a module, a weekly assignment, or for the course. To start, log into your ILIAS course and access the particular place that you would like the test to appear. In this case, we've gone to week 4. Look for Neues Objekt hinzufügen. The pop-down will appear. Scroll over until you see Test and Assessments, and then click on Test. A title will appear, and you can enter title for your quiz or your tests. Here you can put in the Beschreibung notes like after you read chapter X or after you have worked through the modules, please take this quiz. You can also put instructions here, quick things that's a self-graded with no effect to their overall Prüfungsleistung or how many points the course is, the quiz or test is worth. Click Test anlegen. A number of settings will now appear. Here, the Beschreibung. You can choose to put into a test pool, which creates a library of your test questions. This is helpful for courses you teach over different semesters so that the tests change each time. Auswahl der Testfragen is another option that you have. Datenschutz options. Verfügbarkeit is very important. The quiz can't be taken by students until it's online. When you're writing the quiz questions, keep it offline so students can't see it. And then when you're ready for them to take it, move it towards online by clicking the box here. It's also possible to give a limited time and date for when the test is available. You can add an image to the quiz or the test. Information zum Einstieg is here. The test options that you have are these two. Zugang, start and end for availability. You can also give a test password. You can choose who could take the quiz. So if they already finished a particular activity in your course, then they're ready for the quiz. You can monitor that by doing that. And then the Durchführung for the Steuerung for Testdurchlauf. You can select the Anzahl von Testdurchlaufen begrenzen, the Wartezeit, the Bearbeitungsdauer. You can stop and limit that. And the Prüfungsansicht, how it shows to students too. The last sets of groups of settings you can choose from are the Verhalten der Frage, how they appear, mixing them for randomly appearing when they don't have to appear in the same order, and then the participants and how they answer, how they're able to move back and forth through the mix or how they can move forward too. The functions for the participants, for the Teilnehmer, this is also different settings are allowed that you can pick for each particular quiz and setup. Setting the quiz, closing it down are also there with a number of different options. Once you have selected your settings for your test, up at the top, you'll see the areas. Make sure you save, einspeichern, and across the top, you'll see Fragen. Clicking on Fragen, this is where you can now create your questions. Click on Frage erstellen, and you will notice that you have a wide range of question choices. Right? Formellfrage, Freitext eingeben for essay tests, multiple choice, single choice, matching, listing, all those kinds. So one by one, create your quiz questions, click on the Erstellen, and the question will be in there. To go back to the quiz, click week 4, And then you will see the quiz is set up here. In this case, the test, the course standards, and it's ready to begin. Notice it's offline. When you're ready with the questions, and the quiz have been putting in there too, move to Einstellung, look for the online button and click it. Then the quiz with the questions will be in it, will be ready to start. Click Speichern. This concludes the tutorial on creating a test in ILIAS.